Welcome to Technique Friday with Els. Today I'll be showing planner pages featuring the Planner Essential die sets, the elephant die set and the unicorn headband from the accessories die set. So the planner, of course, you can mix and match all those die sets. So this is Planner Essentials 1. Then we have Planner Essentials 6, because I make the page like the tag page in the planner this time. And then I'm using the hearts reinforcements from the labels. And then I have the little elephants from the adventure animals, and I have the head accessories. So I'm using the unicorn set here. So those are the dies I'm using. And so what I did already, because I'm going to make basically, so it's a planner, but I'm going to make a small scrapbook page in there because I know Annika loves that. So I'm making a page for her with the unicorns on there because she loves the unicorn headpiece that she has, and have the little elephant with that same headpiece on. So just a cute little, basically a little scrapbook layout. So I'm going to take the pages out, and then at the end I will put them back in. And first, so I put the reinforcements on this one already. So I have here the heart reinforcements, and we have different, like the different sets have the different reinforcements. But with the cuteness of this page, of these pages, of this layout, I thought it needs the hearts. And I know Annika will love that when I show this page to her. She just had a birthday, and of course you get all those big presents from grandparents and your own parents, and then the present you like the best is the headpiece. And it is, so she was so happy with that. So those are the reinforcements, and I cut this all out of a paper pack from Photo Play. They had like a really nice paper pack with the unicorns in there. So I have those pieces, so I'm just going to lay it out. I have the happies here, those were in the paper pack as well. This elephant, it might be as a YouTube already, if not it's coming for sure. So that's one of the adventure animals. Let me see. Could be fun. And now I have all these elements to play with. So I have, like here she was so I think Josette actually drew the unicorn and Annika's coloring it here. So I thought that would be a cool element to put on there. And then I have this, because this was the paper also in the paper pack. Let me see, and I have this one. So this is from the labels. So you see here I use the frame around it as well. And here I just use the two labels. So all these three sizes come in the same set. And kind of, let me see. Maybe this a little bit higher. Kind of want to play with that frame because it's the color was in the paper pack as well. That same paper. That's what I do. Same probably as a scrapbook. You just lay it out first, kind of decide what you're going to do, and then this is one of the labels as well. So that comes in the same set as the hearts. So I cut that circle out of that one. Let me see. I think that's cool. Yeah. Okay. Let's just start sticking things down. So I have the double-sided adhesive on the back already. And off to the side a bit, so I just line it up at the top. And then the happy, happy, happy. It's the last one. I think that's different than I laid it out in the first, but it's always good. And little elephants. So again, so there either is a video already or there will be a video about how to put the elephant together. You see, it has that unicorn headpiece from the set. And then, of course, I could make a little horse as well out of a zebra we have. Could do that one. It's with the dice. So we have the safari animals and the adventure animals, and they all work together. And then this one first. So this one has adhesive on the back already. Put that one. I'm going to offset that picture a little bit. What a cute picture. She was so happy. And I print my picture, I have to say as well, because I get questions about that. Because these are all smaller pictures. And I use a selfie printer to print the pictures. And then I have an app that's called, let me think, a Pic Collage. And with Pic Collage you can make a collage of pictures that actually prints on a regular photo size. So the selfie printer picks then those smaller pictures. So it's really easy to work with. And fast as well. So I have that at home. It just connects to my phone, and then I can print pictures whenever I want to, and that's kind of a cool thing to do, because like that. And then you have your, you can do it instantly, and that is fun. So I don't need to go anywhere. I can just print the pictures at home right away. So those are the pictures. And then I thought I'm going to put some sequins on that as well. So I'm just going to put some little dots of, let me put those there right away, because otherwise I don't know where I did it anymore. Because of course kids love bling. So just an extra touch on there. And then I will put the date here, because it was her birthday, so it's May 17th. And in the Netherlands, I always need to think, because in the Netherlands we do first day, month and year, but here it's the other way around, so I need to do the month first. So I need to do the month first, so 05/17/2019. And I probably will write a little bit more on there, but this was the date when it was. So now I have a beautiful, fun little scrapbook layout in my planner. So let's put it in there. I'm going to put it in the area I have all the kids. It's another one I just did, but so I thought if I put it in here, because you kind of want to decorate the back as well. So I thought if I put it here, you see this kind of goes together. So now I can kind of put this paper here, do some frames here, so to kind of play with that. So that's a super cute little small scrapbook layout in my planner. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and download the free project sheet. See you next time.